Welcome back to my channel. This is Zeno Allen Beauty, and this is my Vogue inspired makeup tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna try and fill my brows in like really light. I'm going to use the rest of the concealer that's on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to use that as an eyelid primer. So I'm going to do a brown smoky eye. I'm just going to use this brown right here with a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to sweep that color right onto my lid. I didn't set the concealer because it's just going to help the eyeshadow stick better. For foundation, I'm going to use the Black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Foundation. It looks a little red on camera, but once I apply my concealer and powders, it's going to blend in pretty good. So I'm going to use a little bit of the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. I'm going to blend this out first, but I want to go for like a brighter highlight today. Okay, so next I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. So I'm blending it out with an e.l.f. concealer brush. To contour, I'm going to use the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Black Walnut. This is like the perfect contour shade for me. Okay, so I'm gonna try and contour my nose. I'm just gonna use like a little concealer brush. This is supposed to be like a natural makeup look, but it just turned into like full glam. I like to take the contour like up into my crease, well, up into my eyebrows. And I like to blend out my cream contours with a stipple brush, and this is a e.l.f. small stipple brush. When I blend out the concealer on my nose, I just like to pat it because this brush is pretty big to be like blending out concealer on your nose. So I just use the edges of it to blend it out. So I need to blend out my concealer like a little bit because I see like a line between my foundation and the concealer. So I'm just taking the brush that I use for my foundation and just patting over the edges to blend it out. To set my concealer, I'm going to use my Airspun powder, and this is a translucent powder. I'm going to use a Real Techniques contour brush. It has like a dome shaped head to it, but I like to use this to set my concealer. right, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 Mocha. And this is just to set my foundation, but kind of like blending the airspun powder because it is translucent. So it kind of leaves like a little cast. And I used a lighter highlight today. So I kind of want to like tone down the concealer that I use. To contour, I'm going to use a Brownie Bite. And I'm just tapping my brush like lightly into this because this is like a powerful powder. It's like pretty dark even on my skin tone. So I can't use a lot of it. I'm just lightly blending in. And I'm just going to use the access to kind of like go over the cream contour to set it. Okay, so I couldn't decide which highlighter I want to use today, but I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome highlight because this one is like a more golden. Yes, 100 molten gold, but I like this highlighter because it's like more golden. And I think I might do a red lip with this look. I think I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter to my brow bone, but I'm not going to add any right here. I'm kind of tempted to add some like right here. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit to my inner corner. I've been kind of lazy about applying lashes, so I'm just going to use my NYX Worth the Hype mascara. To finish off the look, I'm going to use a brown lip liner to line my lips. Okay, I'm going for a red lip today, so I'm going to use Fenty Beauty lip paint in Uncensored.